All right, let's begin with big breaking updates coming in from the national capital. The Central Vigilance Commission has ordered a probe into the renovations of the Delhi CM's residence. The CVC has asked a probe to be conducted in this regard. Remember, it had been a part of the political rhetoric as well, accusations of a huge amount of taxpayers' money being spent into the same. And our probe is going to be conducted, a detailed investigation into the expenditure and renovations and luxury additions to the Chief Minister's residence. It's a big Times Network impact. An investigation is going to be ordered after a complaint had been filed in this regard. So a detailed investigation will go into the expenditure and the renovations that had taken place at the CM residence in the national capital. Now, there were a lot of luxury additions that had been made as well. My colleague Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, what are the details of the investigation that have been ordered? It could lead to some trouble for the Aam Aadmi Party leaders.
Well, now that is trouble mounting for Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal for the renovation of his bungalow while he was the chief minister. That was 6 Flagstaff Road. Remember that already the state vigilance has initiated an inquiry. CBI is already investigating the case. Agencies are already investigating the case. But now this is the new development coming in. And in fact, this is with regards to the complaint that was filed by BJP leader Vijender Gupta, in which what we are getting to know is that now CVC has advised the CPWD to initiate action against this entire matter. And in fact, if you would allow me to read out the sequence of the events so as to how and when turned it out, when was the first time the complaint was filed. So the complaint was filed on 14th of October 2024, and post that in fact action was taken, and then the complaint was registered on 16th of October 2024 when this entire matter came to light. Post that in fact on 5th of November is when the CVC acknowledged this entire matter officially and then further initiated an inquiry in this entire matter. Post that in fact also remember that on 13th of February 2025, after examining the factual report, CVC of CPWD is advised to conduct a detailed investigation. So now, in this entire matter, CPWD will also be conducting inquiry. Investigation will be held, and in fact, what we are also getting to know is that now, in fact, not just this, but also Arvind Kejriwal will be under scanner. His role will also be under scanner, so as to why such kind of orders were given, why this bungalow was built. And in fact, remember that already we also broke the CAG report that also highlighted that how the norms were flouted while renovating this entire bungalow. And now this is a new big development coming in, where now the CPW will be coming in to hold an investigation in this matter. Now we'll have to see that how Aam Aadmi Party particularly responds to this development. And not just that, but if Arvind Kejriwal is called for an investigation, for interrogation, for questioning, will he be joining the investigation, the questioning or the interrogation? Because on and on we have been seeing that Aam Aadmi Party not just once but several times have been alleging that in fact that's a witch hunt, and deliberately Aam Aadmi Party has been in fact targeted by the agencies. And in fact they have compared the Sheesh Mahal with Raj Mahal at that particular point of time, when during the election campaigning the issue of Sheesh Mahal was raised. And not just that, but in fact the entire CAG report that Times Now had access, that also decoded so as to what were the how the norms were flouted, how the tenders were given, and how in fact the entire area was captured to renovate and build that particular bungalow. Back to you.
Absolutely. And in fact, looking at the charges that have been mentioned as well as the CAG report as well, Tejshri, there were details of how the taxpayers' money had been used into it with on multiple counts. It started with the renovation of the official house of the Delhi Chief Minister, but it escalated to a price much, much bigger than was initially expected.
Well, absolutely. The price was much bigger than as in fact the initially it should be, and that's why this entire matter came to light. Remember that Times Now was the only channel who broke the story first, and not just that, but then it became, in fact, a talking point, and in fact, not just the investigation began into this matter, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his first campaign rally in the national capital, also mentioned about Sheesh Mahal, and in fact, it was very much a dent on the image of the party, because on one hand, remember that Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, portrayed themselves as Aam Aadmi. He promised that he will be staying in a normal flat, will be using a wagon, will be using a normal car, will be using a Wagoner. This was the promises that he made. But then when people came to know about this kind of bungalow, the place in which he is staying in, and in fact that was actually a Sheesh Mahal. We saw the pictures.
And it became one of the biggest points for the BJP to attack the Aam Aadmi Party with. Stay with us. We have Mr. Harish Khurana joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Khurana. It looks like trouble could be mounting. The centre has now ordered a probe on the allegations that taxpayers' money had been misused for the Sheesh Mahal.
See, we welcome the decision of the central government that the vigilance inquiry should happen. We welcome that. And this was a demand of the BJP since quite long when this Sheesh Mahal came into picture. And thanks to Times Now that they have revealed the story of that what has happened before. And they have revealed the story that the Sheesh Mahal, we have spent crores of rupees of taxpayer money, has been spent on the luxury of Arvind Kejriwal. So we congratulate Times Now also for this. And thanks to our vigilance department that they have initiated the inquiry. See, what we feel, when the people were in trouble in Corona, this Arvind Kejriwal is crossed all the limits, and having his Sheesh Mahal getting ready in the Corona time. This is what we feel. We feel cheated at the time when people were wanting the oxygen. He was taking decision on what kind of marble he want to use it. So this inquiry has to be taken initiated, and we were demanding that. We welcome that.
Okay, all right. Stay with us. We have Mr. Akashdeep Muni also on the broadcast with us. Mr. Akashdeep Muni, big trouble now expected because a detailed probe has been ordered into the expenses that went into the official residence of the Delhi CM.
See, the BJP has come to power on a promise to deliver to the mandate what the Delhi people have given them. They have promised them good electricity, good water supply, clean roads. They should have worked for that. They have to understand that elections has ended. The agenda of Sheesh Mahal has also ended. Now it's time to stop the propaganda of Sheesh Mahal and move ahead on serving the people.
Move ahead.
Now,
okay, let me just take in a quick response. I request you to stay with us. Mr. Harish Khurana, if you're still with us, Akashdeep Muni saying that it's time to move on. Why bring up Sheesh Mahal when the BJP has already won?
See, what has happened before, this has to be, inquiry has to be taken. This is taxpayer money. This is not Arvind Kejriwal's own money that he can spend any other thing. But this was the taxpayer money he spent on his luxury, and what we feel the corruption has happened. So this probe has to be taken care of. And why Arvind Kejriwal and his whole gang is getting afraid? If he has done nothing wrong, why he is getting afraid? Let the probe happen. Let the things come out. Let the people should know what the actual truth is. And we feel the corruption has happened in this case also. Luxury with corruption has taken a big hit in this thing. Let the probe happen.
Okay, Mr. Akashdeep Muni, the CAG report says that preliminary estimates were 7.91 crores, but it went up to 33.66 crores. The BJP is saying that's the reason why a probe is being ordered, because it's the taxpayers' money.
See, I totally agree with them. This is the taxpayers' money. Can they give us one evidence where corruption has happened? What is corruption? Let me explain to the respected panelist, Mr. Khurana. Mr. Khurana, corruption means that where the taxpayers' money has been taken out and wrong bills has been submitted. Can you give any evidence of that in particular case when you are alleging corruption here?
Okay, you're saying that this is not corruption. The BJP is saying huge corruption has taken place in the same. Political reactions expected. A detailed and thorough probe has been ordered into the allegations that taxpayers' money had been misused. 33 crores being spent on the Delhi official CM residence. Akashdeep Muni and Harish Khurana, thank you for joining us. Quick break now. We'll be right back.